finding your dream. If we all did the things we are capable of doing, we would literally astound ourselves. The road to happiness lies in two simple principles. Find what interests you and you can do well, and put your whole soul into it. Every bit of energy and ambition and natural ability you have. By John D. Rockefeller. Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, authors of book The Millionaire Next Door, The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy, offer a simple formula. They propose you multiply your age by your total pre-tax household income and the amount of any inheritance, and then divide that number by 10. The resulting figure is your net worth. However, if we accept that definition of net worth or any definition of wealth that doesn't include the intangibles of life, we might overlook that the very things that make life precious and fulfilling. Let us consider Asian style and American style family operating systems. As Chua captures in her book, the stereotypical Asian parents link self-worth to high level of personal achievement and recognition by others. They define clearly what they want their children to achieve, then drive them toward these goals through discipline, self-sacrifice, and delayed gratification. In this family operating system, a powerful external pressure for excellence rules a child's upbringing. Consequently, any failure to reach the parents' predetermined goals can erode a child's sense of worthiness and success. The lines separating love, achievement, self worth, ambition, and pride are blurred. This emphasis on achievement can make children feel that parental love is dependent solely on what the child accomplishes. Unfortunately, kids who are raised with this message can turn into anxiety ridden adults who never feel good enough. Sadly, there are many professionals in every field who have worked hard to get to the top, only to discover that they never really wanted what they have achieved and don't know what to do next. American bookstores abound with parenting guides exhorting us to boost our children's self esteem by giving them lavish praise and frequent assurance of their specialness. Although we as Americans value winners, awards and ribbons are given to every child, sometimes simply for showing up to a contest. In short, and perhaps admirably, stereotypical American children are loved and accepted simply for being who they are. Studies show that there is a strong link between self worth and a sense of achievement. To build self esteem, human beings must face and meet challenges. What if you didn't receive unconditional love from your caregivers as a child? This may be the saddest legacy of a less than ideal upbringing. Here again, though, it is never too late. You can cultivate the generosity and love in yourself that was missing from your childhood to create rich, supportive relationships in your life.